Hi, welcome to Dave's Corner of the World. Have a great day. Well, yesterday I left you grinding those parts, and I've got all the parts cut, ground, and I've even got holes drilled in them to where I need to mount my solar parts. These two, well, they're all laid out just the way they've got to be. I've already got two of them tacked up here. Just put a tack on them, that's all. Okay. Well, I do have ear protection, but for tacking these in, I'm not going to use a welding hood. I'll put my hand right over the top of it. This jig I made the other day, oh heck, it's been 3 weeks ago now, I suppose. But this works fantastic. Put my pieces in there. Tap each piece in. Turn it over, tack the other side. That's it. Well, I'm not sure where I left you last time. I think I just welded up all these. And I've ground them down and made them look a little bit prettier. Since then, I have already made up 3 of the 4 long pieces with the feet on them. So I've only got 1 more to do. Holy cow, I don't even have the welder out here. Real easy to get the welder. Just pick it up and take it wherever I want it. You can't see it, but I did. Put the ground back on something over here. Yesterday I was doing a little bit of welding, and believe it or not, this clamp got hot. Oh, that's odd. So I'll have to figure out something else to do with my ground. Not sure yet what, but I'll figure something. Okay. Now we're going to tack this in place. Turn it over, attach the other side, and I'll be done with this end. You know, I'm just going to go ahead and weld it up while I got here. I've only got two more, this end and the other end to do. I'm just going to go ahead and weld them up, and that way I can grind them off and totally be done. Well, except for cleaning them up and painting them and installing them. We'll show you all that later. Too hot, too hot. Turn it down some. Still too hot. Turn it down some more. Whoa, man, I got a big hole here. It's hard to believe a $100 welder from Harbor Freight can be too hot, but it was. Alrighty. Now, got that one welded up. It's pretty nasty looking, but it'll grind out. It's got a little battery on here, so I'll probably have to go get another battery here in a minute. But we'll go as long as we can. All right, I made it through with my battery. I'm impressed. Okay, boys and girls, I got that done. All I have to do is clean it up and paint it. And I'm not going to show you any of that. I mean, how hard is it to paint something? Besides, I'll probably get runs in it, but who cares? It's going to be on top of my motorhome. So probably next time I see you, I'm going to have some plastic, not really plastic. I don't know what it's called. It's decking material from Home Depot. And it's a composite, it's a plastic composite of some sort. I have no idea what it is. I think they're about 2x6 supposedly, but they are plastic. They're kind of heavy, but that's what I'm going to put on here because they won't rot. It's on top of my motorhome, and if I just use 2x4 or 2x6 wood, sooner or later they would rot. But I've used this composite before, and it works pretty good. So when I get it all painted and get these pieces put on here, I'll come back and show you what that's all about. Got my 2 solar racks completed. They're just laying on these boards. I painted them yesterday and I didn't want to get the rocks too terrible white. So anyway, I got them painted. And maybe tomorrow, it's all cloudy today and cold. And if it warms up tomorrow, I might go ahead and get a couple of panels down from the roof and lay them all out to where I can bolt the panels on and put them back up there. Well, boys and girls, here's what happens when you don't measure things. You can see up there on the coach, there's 2 racks. There's 3 100-watt panels in each rack. So I got more 100-watt panels, and I made my solar racks. You've seen them out here. I made my solar racks exactly the same size as they were up there. Guess what? My solar panels are narrower and shorter. I just got these, the original ones that's up on the motorhome. I got them just a little more than a year ago. Who in the heck would have thought they would have been different size by that much? Well, of course, what I'm going to have to do, I'm going to have to cut it off and move my feet in, because I want as much support as I can get. That 3-inch square tubing is a little bit thin anyway, so I'll just move it in. But who in the world would have thought? Now it's going to take me another 3 or 4 days. Well, it won't take that long, but that's probably what it'll take me in actual time. Oh my gosh. Here's one panel from here to here. Here's another panel from here to here. And there's the third one from there to there. That's 300 watts. I was going to mark out, take a felt pen and mark right here for the hole. And here, there and there, there and there. And do that on all 4 of my racks and have them ready to bolt up. But now I got to do remanufacturing. Do yourself a favor. I'm always preaching it, but I never seem to get it done. Measure, 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 measure. Who would have thought? See you next time.